Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Waves of Mathematics, and today we are going to do Olympiad exponent question. Question is 4 raised to the power x plus 4 raised to the power x equals to 16, and here we need to find the value of x. So this is the given part. You can see 4x and 4x, they both are same, so can we take out the 4x common? So inside is 1 plus 1 equal to 16. Okay, 4 raised to the power x, this 1 plus 1 is 2 equals to 16. Now this 2 goes that side, right hand side, so it will become 8. 2 divided by 16 goes to 8 times, so 4 raised to the power x equals to 8. Now we will take log both sides. Log 4 raised to the power x equals to log of 8. Now we know the rule of the log. If log a power b, so can we write this b log a? This power comes in front of log. This is the log rule. Okay, so we are using here x log 4 equals to log 8. So we are using this log rule here. After that, x log 4 equals to log 8. So x log 4 equals to log 8. So this log 8 we will split in the product form, 4 into 2. So here log 4, this is log 4 and this is log 2. We will convert this 8 in the product form, 4 into 2. Now we are using the rule of the log. If two numbers are in the product form, so we will use this log and it will be convert log 4 plus log 2. Okay, now after that it is x log 4. Okay, now you can see the log 4 here and the x into log 4. So we need to find the value of x. So first of all we will remove this log 4. So we will divide this equation by log 4 and this also log 4. Log 4 cancel out. So x equals to, this is log 4, remaining is log 2 upon log 4. Now we will split this log 4 separately. Okay, how to split? See, log 4 upon log 4 and here log 2 upon log 4. So this log 4 cancel out, so it will be 1 plus, and you can see the log 2 plus log 4 are remaining, log 2 and log 4. Now after that 1 plus log 2 is correct, and log 4, can we write this log 4, log this 4, we will write 2 square. Now again we are using the log rule, this 2 come in front of log, so we have 1 plus log 2 upon this 2 come in front of log 2 log 2. Okay, so this log 2 cancel out, so remaining is 1 plus, here is 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So this is our final answer. 3 by 2 is the answer of this x. I hope you have understood this question, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.